In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Microsoft OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin, let's make sure you have the OneNote app open on your device. Launch your OneNote application if you haven't already. Once you have OneNote open, you'll be greeted by the home screen. If you're not logged in, ensure you're signed in with your Microsoft account to access your notebooks and their full functionality. Next, turn your attention to the My Notebooks section on the left side of your screen. When you click on it, a drop-down list of your available notebooks will appear, offering a quick way to navigate between them. Selecting the relevant notebook is key, as this is where you'll apply your tags to keep your notes organized and easy to reference later. Now it's time to explore the contents of your chosen notebook. On the notebook panel, click on View Notebook to open and access the pages within. This action will take you into the heart of your notebook, where your notes are stored and ready for enhancement with tags. Once you're inside the notebook, you'll want to locate the Home tab. This is where some of the most used features exist, including text formatting, paragraph settings, and importantly for us today, tags. With a single click on the Home tab, you'll reveal a plethora of options designed to make your note-taking experience smooth and efficient. Continuing in the Home tab, you'll see the Tags section among the toolbar options. Clicking on Tags opens a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of tag types, each designed for different purposes. Add tags to your notes to categorize information, highlight key points, create lists, and more. This tool is particularly handy for anyone managing large volumes of information because it allows for a quick and organized way to navigate through your notes. Using tags in OneNote is an effective method to enhance your digital notes' clarity and accessibility. As you incorporate tags into your workflow, you'll find it easier to filter and locate specific pieces of information swiftly without sifting through entire pages. That's it. By following these steps, you've set up your OneNote with the capacity to utilize tags efficiently. Start exploring this feature and customize it to make your note-taking as intuitive as possible. Implement these steps and you'll notice a significant boost in how you organize and retrieve your information. Thanks for joining me and happy tagging in OneNote.